Good morning everybody. In this video we are going to study about the solar collectors from the unit solar radiation from the subject renewable energy technologies. I am David, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Solar collectors. Solar thermal energy is the most readily available source of energy. The solar energy is most important kind of non-conventional source of energy which has been used since ancient times, but in the most primitive manner. The abundant solar energy available is suitable for harnessing a number of applications. The application of solar thermal energy system ranges from solar cooker of 1 kilowatt to power plant of 200 megawatt. These systems are grouped into low temperature, that is less than 150 degrees Celsius, medium temperature, that is 150 to 300 degrees Celsius applications. The collectors are classified as non-concentrating collectors, that is flat plate collectors, and concentrating or focusing collectors. Non-concentrating collectors. In these collectors, the area of collector to intercept the solar radiation is equal to the absorber plate and has concentration ratio of 1. Flat plate collectors is most important part of any solar thermal energy system. It is simplest in design and both the direct and diffuse radiations are absorbed by collector and converted into useful heat. These collectors are suitable for heating to temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. The constructional details of flat plate collectors are given below. The first component is insulated box. The rectangular box is made of thin GI sheet and is insulated from sides and bottom using glass or mineral wool of thickness 5 to 8 cm to reduce losses from conduction to back and side wall. Transparent cover. This allows solar energy to pass through and reduces the convective heat losses from the absorber plate through air space. The transparent tempered glass cover is placed on top of rectangular box to trap the solar energy and sealed by rubber gaskets to prevent the leakage of hot air. It is made of plastic or glass but glass is more favorable because it is transmittance and low surface degradation. Absorber plate. It intercepts the absorbs the solar energy. The absorber plate is made of copper, aluminum or steel and is in the thickness of 1 to 2 mm. It is the most important part of collector along with the tubes products passing the liquid or air to be heated. Tubes. The plate is attached to a series of parallel tubes or one serpentine tube through which water or other liquid passes. The tubes are made of copper, aluminum or steel in the diameter of 1 to 1.5 cm and are brassed soldered on top or bottom of the absorber. Water equally in all the tubes and collect it back from the other end. The efficiency of the collector decreases with dust particles on the cover plate because the transmission radiation increased by 1%. Frequent cleaning is required to get maximum efficiency of the collector. So this is the diagram which shows the flat plate collector. These are the components that we already studied. Concentrating collectors. The concentrating collector is a device to collect solar energy with a high intensity of solar radiation on the energy absorbing surface. Such collectors use optical system in the form of reflectors or refractors. These collectors are used for medium, that is 100 to 300 degrees Celsius and high temperature above 300 degrees Celsius applications such as steam production for the generation of electricity. The high temperature is achieved at absorber because of reflecting arrangement provided by concentrating the radiation at required location using mirrors and lenses. There are three types of concentrating collectors, that is compound parabolic collectors, cylindrical parabolic collectors, parabolic disc collectors. This is the diagram which shows the compound parabolic collector. It is focusing type. The compound parabolic collectors have two parabolic surfaces to concentrate the solar radiation to the observer placed at the bottom. These collectors have high concentration ratio and concentrator is moving to track the sun. This is cylindrical parabolic collectors. The throats concentrate sunlight into a receiver tube placed along the focal line of the trough. The temperature at the absorber tube is obtained at nearly 400 degrees Celsius. The absorber in these collectors is moving to receive the reflected radiations by reflector, while the concentrators remains fixed. Because of its parabolic shape, it can focus the sun at 30 to 100 times its normal intensity on the receiver. This diagram shows the cylindrical parabolic collectors. The last one, parabolic disc collector. The collectors have mirror-like reflectors and an absorber at the focal point. These collectors are point focusing type. The concentrating ratio of these collectors is 100 and temperature of the receiver can reach up to 2000 degrees Celsius. These collectors have higher efficiency for converting solar energy into electrical energy in the small power plant. In some systems, a heat engine such as Stirling engine is connected to the receiver to generate the electricity. So this diagram shows the parabolic disc collectors. Thank you.